Can y'all see the vision? Looks really good. Today's style is a silky straight style. It is in a 20-inch. As you can see straight out the box, you don't need to cut the lace. You don't need to bleach the knots. Everything looks very good straight out the box. I love the drawstring wig because it's very convenient. This wig, you can just slide it on straight off the box. The first thing I'm going to do is take the drawstring. I'm going to tuck that comb. I'm just going to use the drawstring today. I'm just going to pull it down to the side. If you need to, you can cut it a little bit around the ear. I'm going to press the tape right here at the side. Then I'm going to remove the white paper and just press it so that it can lay super flat like this. Put a melting spray around the hairline just to lay down any pieces of lace that may be lifted. Tie it down again. Let that dry completely. Make sure that the flyaways are down because you want this to be nice and clean. So I'm just going to part away front half of the hair, pull it to the front, and we're just going to leave the back with the hair where you need it to go. Now the hairspray, I will pop it out to you. I will link it right here. But I like it because I can spray as much as I want, unless you pull too hard, but you don't really need to be rough. And even though the curls are loose now, there's still a little bit of curl in the hair, so it's helpful to getting a really cute style. Okay, I'm gonna make sure this is smooth down in the back. It's a nice loose twist down the hair. Gonna take it, wrap it, take a bobby pin and pin as I go. And you can leave it a little messy if you want to. Can y'all see the vision? See? This looks so good. Like, you can see that this is a nice top bun, half up, half down. It's not too much hair, it's doing just enough. So if you want to wear this style to work, it's easy style.